Oh, Stella, hang on there just for a second. Okay, alright, that's good.
Are you gonna get up? Huh? Come on. Your eyes are open now, let's go. While he's pulling his head back,
You pulling it back now?
yeah, he's pulling it back away from me.
He's alert then.
Yeah.
Come on.
Okay, one of you laying down with him so I can put this on Facebook.
So you can what?
Put it on Facebook. Okay, alright, get next to him. Come on, Stella. There you go. Good.
See if you can get his head over.
Okay, he's gonna stand up now though. Okay.
No.
Let him stand up, okay?
No.
He's trying to
Ask him now, hit him at the butt now. But ask him.
Come on, wake up.
Okay, here he goes.
There he comes. Ask him. There he goes. Right? No, you're too slow.
He got up too quick.
Oh well.
Wasn't me.
That's alright.
Yeah, he got up too quick.